So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Just bring you guys a little bit closer. Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Yeah. In today's video, the incredible weather is fastly coming, at least over here in LA at least. So I figured, why don't I just jump on here and do a little mini skirt summer try on haul, because I have so many cute mini skirts. I'm so ready to wear them. It's been so hot here in LA. Summer is fastly approaching, so I'm gonna show you a few different vibes of like classy, sexy, cute, some that you can wear with sandals, heels, or tennis shoes. So you can dress these up, you can dress them down. Yeah, so I'm gonna try on about, I think I have about 5. Here they are. So here they are. This one actually is my favorite, but the zipper broke, so I don't think I can try it on, but I'll try to like hold it up and show you guys. I won't keep the intro super long. Just make sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notified every time I post. Definitely give me a thumbs up on the like button below. You guys already know the drill. I'll probably just put some music over this and try on the skirts. So let's just get into it. This first skirt is from Aeropostal. I think I got it for like $35. And this is just the perfect summer skirt. You can wear this with a little pair of tennis shoes, and I feel like it would look so good. This next skirt is from Urban Outfitters. As you can see, I got size extra small for $59. This skirt totally gives me like Tyla vibes, pop sensation, water. This reminds me of the Water song. I love it so much, and I feel like this would look super good with boots too. This next skirt I got is from Zara. I love this skirt so much. I think it's so classy and cute, and you can definitely dress it up or dress it down. It has shorts underneath, so you don't have to worry about getting a little too cheeky when you bend over. This skirt I got from Zara, and this is like the perfect little schoolgirl skirt. This is definitely super cute and sexy. This also has shorts underneath, so that definitely comes in handy. Oh, gotta let the puppy out. Anyway, the little buckle here is such a cute little added accessory. You can definitely wear this with boots, heels, or even little tennis shoes. Super cute. Dress it up, dress it down. I mean, you make the call. I love it. This little brown skirt is almost the same as that last one I just put on. The zipper broke, so that sucks, but I'm sure it's an easy fix at the tailor. It also has shorts underneath, so love that. I feel like this is just the perfect little skirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you want to see more of. Bye guys.